Do you want a VTaper? Specifically, an anime level VTaper. You only need 3 exercises to do that. Why do you want a VTaper and what is a VTaper? A VTaper is where you have really broad shoulders, wide lats, and a small waist. It makes you instantly aesthetic. That's why you want it, because you're gonna be aesthetic. Also, strength comes with it too, right? So you're gonna be strong, you're gonna be aesthetic, and you're also gonna feel a lot more confident in yourself. You'll look better, you'll feel better. It's gonna be great. All in one, awesome. Chef's kiss. So the first exercise that we are going to do in this workout is we're gonna do pike push-ups. Why are pike push-ups so good? Why did I choose pike push-ups? I chose them because they work your front delts and your side delts. They also work your traps and your upper chest, which is really good. Having all those things will definitely make you more aesthetic. Now, here's some tips to doing it. Make your body into a V. You should look like a V. Keep your elbows in while you push. Don't flare them out, because I'll put unnecessary stress on your shoulders. Keep them tucked in, which can be pretty hard. So you're gonna have to work on it. And if pike push-ups are too hard for you, just walk out your feet, or sorry, your hands or your feet. Either way, it'll make it a little bit easier. And if it's too easy for you, elevate your feet on a chair. Now, the main issue I've had with pike push-ups is that you need to have somewhat flexible hamstrings. You do. You can have a little bend in your knees, but try to straighten out your legs. But if you're gonna straighten out your legs, you need hamstring flexibility. So stretch your hamstrings, guys. Exercise 2, pull-ups. Why are pull-ups good? Let me tell you why. Pull-ups are good because they are the best exercise for building your lats, which make you wider, like Bruce Lee. We all love a good Bruce Lee movie, and he's literally like a bird. I call lats bird wings. So it works on that, it works on your back, but also it'll slightly work on your biceps. I don't know if you've noticed, but if you do bicep curls before doing pull-ups, you're gonna feel it. It's gonna be a lot harder to do the pull-ups because you just completely took out biceps from the equation. So moving on to the next workout. And before I move on to the next workout, some people don't have a pull-up bar. That's fine. If you have 2 chairs, say in your kitchen, put them together, put your hands on them, and like do Australian rows. I'll show you a video of me doing that right here. Should be on the screen. And you only need 2 chairs. It's fine. And something you could do that's even better is you have 2 chairs and a broomstick. Now, I don't want to hear it in the comments. You try this and your broomstick breaks. Probably because your hands were in the middle of the broomstick and it broke. But your hands need to be touching the chair while holding the broomstick so it doesn't break. So I don't want to hear any of those stupid comments. It's on you, man. It's literally on you if you break your chair or your broomstick. Next workout that I said we should do is cardio. Really cardio. Some form of cardio. Sprinting, I like sprinting. I also like jump roping, even just walking. Very simple. There are last exercise you can choose. Running, I wouldn't do for reasons I can talk about in another video. But walking, which burns a lot of fat, walking is probably the best thing to do because it'll build your fat, or it'll make you lose fat. And the 3 things that make a V-taper: broad shoulders, which the first exercise, pike push-ups, will do, pull-ups, lower lats, and then cardio, losing weight, moving. Also, try to keep a lower body fat percentage. I would say probably 10 to 20% body fat. 10 might be a bit extreme. I'm around 15% body fat. That's just me. Now, you still might not have a small waist. You still might have those love handles. I've never had to experience that. I was a bit skinny fat at one point, but I lost that. Other things that can help you get a skinny waist or a small waist: intermittent fasting. I also went on the carnivore diet for 3 days. Lost some weight that I didn't think I need. And I'm just as strong in my lifts. I most likely did not lose any muscle. It's most likely literally just fat. Also, a good tip is you should take some creatine. I want to make a video on that, but there's already thousands of videos on YouTube on creatine, the effects of creatine. I'm going on creatine for 30 days. I forgot to do it yesterday, and so far I haven't done it today, and it's 1 o'clock. I need to get on the train. It got me muscles. It was nice. It was really good. What else do I have? Nothing much. I do have something. Wait, Now that you have a VTaper, or you're working towards your VTaper, why not get a wife beater? Or sorry, a tank top. Why not get a tank top or a beater? It's the logical thing to do. So head over to my store, link in the description. It should say Redbubble. Pick yourself up one of my tank tops. They're really good. I have tank tops, or I guess they're really called beaters. I call them beaters, but some people call them tank tops. Yeah. Bet you'll look good, feel good, be confident. Anyways, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, entertaining in any ways, subscribe, comment down below, and subscribe for more calisthenics content like this. I already said subscribe, but whatever. Goodbye.